we had a great time at the International Christmas Market. Todd, thanks again for creating an amazing event, and I hope every single one of you watched this on the first day so you actually get to go and check this market out. But although it was an amazing event, there is something missing to actually make this a perfect Christmas, which obviously is Christmas candy and presents. So I thought I was gonna give you a quick walkthrough about my favorite Swedish Christmas candy that you can buy here at IKEA, and then also opening some Christmas presents. Now, a lot of you might think that, Lukas, this doesn't make any sense. What is the connection between an international Christmas market and then random candy from IKEA? Well, actually there isn't any connection really. It's just that my girlfriend busted me buying all this candy from IKEA, so I had to lie and say that the reason for why I bought so much candy is because I wanted to make a video showing this off to you guys. So here we are in the middle of Taiwan campus, in the middle of the night, eating Swedish Christmas candy. So this one is called Vintersaga, which actually means winter fairy tale. IKEA has a very funny way of just making up names on a bunch of stuff, pretty much everything. But this I think could be one of my favorites. Anything you're gonna see now is gonna be my favorite. Caramel toffee, very chewy, very delicious. Okay, so that's one. Let's put it down. Next thing isn't really candy, but it's cookies. It's Swedish pepparkaka, or gingerbread cookies, and this is a must. Normally, traditionally, they are shaped as hearts, as you can all see here, and you get like a whole box of it, just like that. Delicious. Now, we're not really superstitious in Sweden, but if you have a gingerbread cookie like this, if you make it wish and then you break it in 3 pieces, your wish will come true. That's not superstition, it's a fact. So let's check out if we're any lucky today. See that? 3 pieces. 1, 2, oops. Still 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna happen. My third absolute favorite is called juleskum. Now, I think this is the cheapest one too. So if you are at IKEA, don't want to go as crazy as me, you only can pick one, definitely go with this one. It's very chewy, like kind of like marshmallow, but not as soft. It's like a little bit chewing. It looks like it's a little Santa Claus too. So if you only can pick one thing, you should definitely pick up a bag of juleskum. If you could pick up 2 things, then you should get 2 bags of juleskum. We're not done yet, folks. Then in the end, we do have some Swedish milk chocolate. It says right here, mjölkchoklad, which is Swedish for milk chocolate. Now, I agree, this is just like normal chocolate. It has nothing to do with Christmas at all. A lot of Swedish people are getting judgment right now. Wait a minute. There we go. Christmas milk chocolate, problem solved. But although we have all this candy, no Christmas is perfect until we get to open the Christmas presents, right? So here I have one of this year's Christmas presents. So I'm gonna open this and totally pretend that I haven't opened this already and I know exactly what's in this package. Power bank and external hard drive from ADATA. Thank you guys so much for sending this along, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a review. I'm gonna try this out. ADATA heard that I was gonna upgrade my camera equipment which by the way, this is the first video I'm shooting with my new camera and my new microphone. I hope you have noticed that the audio has been amazing and hopefully the quality is alright as well. Thank you all so much, ADATA. It's gonna power up my stuff, and also with 2 cameras right now, it's gonna be twice as much storage need. So thank you all so much for sending that over. If anyone else wants to send me stuff, you have my email address down there. If you send me an email, I will send you my address. Whatever you send, I will definitely show it in my next videos. So thank you all so much for watching, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, or as we say in Swedish, God Jul och Gott Nytt År.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
So good.